I bought the Timberland Pro Morphix boots off Facebook, and I'm going to review them to let you know if they live up to the hype. In this video series called Facebook Made Me Buy It, I buy cool stuff that I see advertised on Facebook, and then I let you know if it's worth buying or if it's absolute junk. Timberland has been around forever, and they're most popular for their light brown stylish boots called Tims. Yeah, it's that Timberland. Well, they have a line of work gear, and it's called Timberland Pro, and it's designed to compete with companies like Carhartt. My old Solomons were getting fairly busted, and I had had them for a super long time. I'm on my feet a lot during the day, and I generally prefer a cross-trainer or a hiking boot over a true work boot. The weight savings is big for me, and a leather work boot tends to be super heavy. And that is the first thing I noticed when putting on the Timberland Pros was, damn, these things are light. And that's kind of the point of these. They're trying to make an athletic-based work boot that's flexible and moves with you. Sizing was also spot on, so nothing weird there. I generally wear an 11 across most manufacturers, and these were no different, so order with confidence. I'm a Minnesota guy, and I'm usually a big fan of Red Wing boots. Everyone that knows Red Wings knows that the break-in period can be absolutely brutal. But if you make it through that, they can actually be really, really comfortable boots. The Timberland Pros don't really have a break-in period because they're really lightweight and they're super flexible. They really did feel great right out of the box. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, I've never been impressed with the grip of my Red Wings, and I've had a few pairs of them. Even when the soles aren't worn down, they generally just aren't very good on things like snow or wet concrete, for example. The Timberland Pros, on the other hand, have grip for days. And in the side-by-side comparison, it's pretty evident which sole is going to grip better. It's the Timberlands. I was putting up Christmas lights this past weekend and going up and down the ladder quite a bit. Not to mention working up on the roof, and the boots felt solid and stable the whole time. I didn't have any slipping and was able to confidently work close to that gutter edge. And I didn't even fall off the roof once this year. It's a popular trend to have thick, exaggerated, stylish soles, known as chunky or dad shoes. The Timberland Pro soles kind of follow that trend, and if you're a younger person on the spectrum of life, that's probably not going to bother you. You'll actually probably like the styling. And if you're more experienced in age, you might not like the styling of these boots very much at all. That thick, chunky sole has a purpose though, and that's to make you feel like you're walking on a cloud. Mission accomplished. These things are seriously comfortable, and being on your feet working all day is not a problem in these boots. Now, because they are lightweight, flexible, and comfortable, I don't know that they're going to be as durable as a true all-leather, heavy-duty work boot. I'm worried that metal slag from welding or sparks from a grinder might actually kind of melt into some of the cloth areas. But time will tell. Overall, I'm loving these boots. It's a buy from me all day long. The flexibility and comfort won me over, and Timberland Pro is a great brand, so I wasn't too worried. If you like this video, and I hope you did, I have more Facebook reviews coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you've got a favorite work boot, let me know in the comments what it is, because eventually these will wear out and I'll have to replace them with something else. I love trying new stuff, and user-submitted recommendations are even better. Okay, bye.